जब देखो चिड़चिड़ी रहती हो, गुस्से में रहती हो, रोती रहती हो. Let me share 5 wrong timings men choose to speak to their women. The first one is when she's crying and you look at her and you tell her कितना ड्रामा करती रहती हो, मतलब कितना रोते रहती हो. She's hurt, of course she's gonna cry. We are very emotional, so go easy on that. And after saying that, don't have a conversation because she's not gonna listen to you. The second one is when she's angry, and you look at her and tell her कितना कट करते रहती हो तुमको पता है क्या हुआ. Sorry bro, she's not gonna listen to you. The third one is when she's tired, exhausted, come from the market, or just cooked a meal for you, and brought all the vegetables or whatever from the market, brought it, washed it, cut it, put all the masalas, cooked it perfectly, served it. She just sat on the table to have her meal, and you're like, क्या है, क्या बना है ये, कैसा, यही क्या मैं बोलूँ, यही खाता हूँ ना, नमक बराबर ना. ब्रो, गो easy because look at the efforts, okay? Look at the efforts, then later let her eat and then you can speak to her because she's tired and she's hungry at the same time, so go easy. The fourth one is when she is low, okay? She's going through her mood swings and you're like, yeah, ye to it's normal, don't act like it's a very big thing. Sabko hota hai. You have to understand, theek hai, it's normal but it's painful, so go easy on her. At that time, just be calm, be peaceful. And the fifth one is when she's silent and she's not talking, she's hurt, and you're like, क्या हो गया, इतनी चुप बैठी हो, क्या हो गया, कुछ हुआ क्या, बोलो मुझे. And when she doesn't talk, just give her some time at that time, but don't tell her कि वापस से वही नाटक चालू, वही ड्रामा चालू, जब देखो. Just go easy. These are 5 timings where you don't have to speak to your women because she is already irritated and her brain is not in that frame of understanding anything. So at that time, just don't be logical, go with emotions and just be there. These small tips, if followed properly, will help you change your relationship and it's gonna beautify. Trust me on this.